Imagine having an AI coding assistant that can build full websites, design posters, create slides, and even help you with full stack projects, all for free. Sounds insane, right? Well, that's exactly what GLM 4.7 is doing right now, and it's taking the AI world by storm. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to access GLM 4.7 for unlimited use without paying a single dime, and how you can start building amazing projects with it today. So what is GLM 4.7? This is the newest agentic AI tool that's outperforming most of the major AI coding tools out there. It's been benchmarked against others, and as you can see from the chart, GLM 4.7, that's the blue bar, is leading in performance. Whether you're a front-end developer, designer, or full-stack enthusiast, this tool is a total game changer. And the best part? It's completely free to use online. All right, let me show you how to get started. Go to your browser and search for glm.ai. You'll see JAI chat pop up. Click on it. Once you're there, you'll find the GLM 4.7 model. It's free, but you'll need to sign in with your Gmail account. Click on Sign In, choose your Google account, and boom, you're logged in. Now you're ready to explore. You can select GLM 4.7 or even check out older models if you want. But trust me, GLM 4.7 is the best coding AI available right now. GLM 4.7 is not just any AI, it's powerful and versatile. Here are some things you can do. Build websites instantly. For example, you can write a prompt like build HTML website high contrast dark mode plus contest headings, and GLM 4.7 will create a beautiful, functional website. Design slides and posters. Want a retro-futuristic poster or a creative web banner? GLM 4.7 can do that in seconds, using just a single prompt. Full-stack coding. You can build applications, remix projects, or just experiment with code ideas. Deep research and local use. You can even download the model from Hugging Face or ModelScope and run it locally. No usage credits required. Every project you create can be copied, remixed, and used as inspiration for your own ideas. It's literally like having a coding assistant that never sleeps. So there you have it. GLM 4.7 is free, unlimited, and one of the most powerful AI coding tools out there. Whether you're creating websites, designing projects, or diving deep into AI coding, this is a tool you don't want to miss. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more AI tips, tutorials, and hidden gems like this. I'll also leave the link in the description so you can get started with GLM 4.7 right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.